I have two Ipsys to unbag today. Start with this one. This is the Ipsy Glam bag for January 2023. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. So cute. Let's get right into it and let's see what did we get for this month. By the way, can you guys leave me in the comments which one do you prefer? Do you prefer Ipsy or BoxyCharm? I don't know if I want to switch or stay with Ipsy, so help me out and let me know which is your favorite. Just type Ipsy or BoxyCharm. Like this little eyeshadow, I think it comes with like 4. Wow, it's closed up really well, so I don't really want to open it. Think I might put it in a giveaway. Beulah Shimmer Palette, and you can see the colors there. I don't know what this is here. Super versatile eyeshadow palette, covers all your defining and shading needs, creating a fast and flawless look. The pigmented shadows are so blendable and smooth that you'll get intense color payoff without streaking or caking. So the full size of this retails for $20. I think I received this brand before from Ipsy. In this little cute packaging. What else? Ooh, what is this? So it says Solar Gentle Scrub Ice Pure with Arctic Cotton. Buff your rough, congested skin and reveal a glowy complexion with help from this gentle exfoliating scrub that uses silica beads and volcanic lava to help smooth away dead skin cells. This is a deluxe sample. Full size retails for $29. Let's see, made in France. I want to like smell it for some reason. A little bit here. Oh yeah, I feel the scrub, like if it was sugar. Okay, I'll definitely try that out in the shower. What else? This little It Cosmetics Plus Hello Results Wrinkle Reducing Daily Retinol Serum Cream. Say hello to gorgeous glowing results when you use this cream enriched with niacinamide, vitamin B, C, and E, and 2 different kinds of retinol to help jumpstart your cell's natural turnover process without irritation and drying. So this is the deluxe sample. The full size would be $69. You want to use sunscreen when you like use stuff like this? Oh, okay, stuff like this I do like. Here you go. Again, I think I keep getting this Ipsy Glam bag because of the bags. I love these little like pouches, purses, whatever you want to call them. I just love getting them and I love to like gift them. So here you go. This is by Evio Skin Lip Serum. Help hydrate and sear your lips with this multiple award-winning hemp and peppermint enriched lip serum. Its silky and cooling formula is packed with vitamin E, rich shea butter to help seal in softness and keeps your lips supple. Full size is $8. It's made in Canada. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. Here's the little applicator, and this I will try now because I feel like my lips are so dry. I love like a thicker consistency. I also love like a minty sensation. I'm just seeing how it feels. Okay, definitely smell the peppermint. Not bad, and I love this little size. So finally, something that I love to receive. I used to receive it like in every Ipsy bag. I don't know why they switched it. Your review on the site, I told them how much I love liquid liners and they just stopped sending them. Here's one, finally, thank God. This is what I'm like the most excited about. The Perfect Win eyeliner and cat eye looks are now at your fingertips. This liquid eyeliner's ultra pointy precision tip makes it a cinch to line and define your eyes, plus the fast drying jet black ink stays on for all day wear that's water and fuzz proof. For a thicker, bolder line, gently apply more pressure. This is the full size and it retails for $10. So I'm definitely gonna make a video on this. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a playlist of all the liquid liners that I have reviewed. It's the only thing I use. And this was the inside of the bag. I'm not gonna say it's one of like my favorites, but it's still cute. Now on to film my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So let me know if you also received this bag. What do you think?